Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work. Happy 2026. This is my first tech purchase of 2026. This is the Apple Macbook Neo. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have my first tech purchase of 2026. I am really excited for this. This is the budget MacBook. I actually traded in an old iPad and I got some money off of this, so it did not cost a lot. But if you guys want the specs and everything down below, you can. This does have the Apple 18 Pro chip, which is a chip that was found in a year or two ago of their Pro iPhone. This is the Apple 18 Pro. So it's a 6-core CPU with 2 performance and 4 efficiency cores and a 5-core GPU. As far as the RAM, you got the 8 gigabytes of RAM, which a lot of people have been complaining about because they say that it's not going to perform as well as the other MacBooks. But in my experience, I had a MacBook Pro that had a touch bar. I had the M1 MacBook Air and I had a M2 MacBook Air as well. So I just really wanted to actually get back into the MacBook game. So very curious to see how this is. And as you can see, I do have the blue model. You do have a couple of ports when it comes to the Type-C. Let's see if I can hide all this stuff here. So as far as what you get, so you have the 8 gigabytes of memory, 512 gigabytes of internal storage, 13-inch MacBook Neo. And if you do want to open it up, you do have the green tabs here. So we're going to pull, just like an iPhone. And then we're going to pull the other one, which is on the bottom. Right. And we are going to pull the other one. All right, let's flip this back. So I haven't had a MacBook in a while because I was trying the iPad life, but let's see how it is. Beautiful presentation. Put that to the side here. MacBook Neo is definitely on deck. Beautiful presentation as always when it comes to Apple. Feels a really premium, by the way. And let's just take a look at what you get. So you have your Type-C charging cable. It does have the braided cable as well. And you have a power brick, which is good. This is a Type-C power brick, so it's not the same one that you get in the MacBook. It actually looks like, well, as far as the other MacBooks, it looks like you get this one here, same exact one for the iPhone. All right, and we have your manual here, the MacBook Neo. You guys can pause this and read it for yourself. You definitely can. USB for external display. As I can see from the specs, you do have the USB 3 on one and you have the USB 2 on the other one. And if you do have the 512 gigabyte model, you do get the Touch ID, which is the fingerprint scanner. So let's just put that to the side and bring this out just like so. All right, so let's just see. And you do not get no type of Apple stickers, so I'm just gonna give you my impressions of how it feels. And if it feels like a regular MacBook, this is very clean. Definitely liking it. It does have a curvature to it as well. Really different. But it does have a nice weight on it as well. As far as the specs, it is saying that it's 2.7 pounds. And if you work with the kg, it's 1.23 kilograms. So let's just pop this right here and let's open it. And as you can see, it does not have the touch lit display. So if you do want to type, you are probably going to have your brightness super up, or if you just turn on your light, there's no issues when it comes to that. So when I was in the Apple store, there was a lot of people who was buying this. A lot of people were buying this, and I feel like this is going to be one of the best budget laptops that you can get. And as you can see from right there, it's hard to see, but you do have your Touch ID right over here. Let's see exactly how it feels. So it does have that tactile feel. Feels pretty good. And it does have a 13-inch display. All right, so we're just loading up right now. We do have a 13-inch liquid retina display, 24 by 8 by 1506 on the resolutions, 500 nits on the brightness, P3 color. So as far as the actual ports itself, as you can see from here, they're looking really clean. You do have a headphone jack, and of course, if you do want to add more ports, you could definitely use an adapter. I do have a bunch of those, and you can buy them on Amazon with no problem. So this is the unboxing of the Apple MacBook Neo. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. Everything looks really clean so far. I don't see no type of hiccups or anything when it comes to loading up. But if you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. If you guys want to see more of the MacBook Neo, let me know as well. Peace and love. I will see you guys in the next video. I can't wait to set this up. Peace and love. I'll see you later. Peace.